Yes, there's start happening, and now we have 29 October 2023. There is Mars, and there is Jupiter, and there is also Moon, same line with Earth. And this energy from Mars, I mean this dark energy, it's moving near Sun, and it's working with this energy what Sun emit, of course, and that's why this Mars can work even harder when it's almost behind Sun. But then when we look in more, there is like 6th day November, there is Moon and Saturn between, but this 3rd November is very extreme day, because Earth is between Venus and Neptune, and same time between Sun and Jupiter. And this is something, because there was this activating 29 October 1st, and very soon this between Sun and Jupiter, and between Venus and Saturn. So I think there's coming tornado outbreaks because of this dark energy which can activate in Earth. When we have these alignments line, this dark energy particles moving through each others and interacting and energy expanding bigger area, and that's why this dark energy, it's not moving so much through Earth. It's mass Earth nucleus of atoms and Earth activating, and later this energy coming out, and there's coming this extreme weather phenomena. No climate. Just Google Savorinen. Cheers.